Hello and welcome to Consumer Times, your go-to source for insightful discussions on consumer trends, environmental concerns, and sustainable living. Today, we delve into a crucial topic whereas in today's consumer-driven market, purchasing products often comes with added assurances such as warranties and guarantees that provide consumers with peace of mind. Additionally, the right to repair movement has gained traction globally, empowering consumers by giving them the freedom to repair and maintain their own products. Understanding the differences between warranty, guarantee, and the right to repair is essential for consumers to make informed decisions and protect their interests. Now we explore these three concepts, their legal standing, and their importance in safeguarding consumer rights. Before break it down, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times to motivate us. A warranty is a written assurance provided by the manufacturer or seller that the product will perform as expected for a specified period. If the product malfunctions due to manufacturing defects or substandard materials during the warranty period, the manufacturer is obligated to repair or replace the product free of cost. Types of warranties are manufacturer warranty, offered directly by the manufacturer, covers repair or replacement of defective parts or the entire product within the warranty period, usually valid for 1 to 3 years, depending on the product and brand. Extended warranty, additional coverage offered after the manufacturer's warranty expires. Consumers can purchase this separately to extend protection for a longer period. Limited warranty provides partial coverage and may exclude certain parts, damages, or conditions. Consumers need to read the terms carefully to understand the scope of coverage. Implied warranty, imposed by law, ensuring that the product is fit for the intended purpose, often applies regardless of whether the product explicitly carries a warranty. Importance of warranty for consumers. Protects consumers against manufacturing defects and unexpected repair costs. Enhances trust in the brand, encouraging repeat purchases. Encourages manufacturers to maintain quality standards. What is a guarantee? A guarantee is a more comprehensive and unconditional promise by the manufacturer or seller that the product will meet certain standards of quality and performance. If the product fails to meet these standards, the consumer is entitled to a full refund, replacement, or repair. Characteristics of a guarantee: assurance of quality, covers product quality, durability, and performance. Time-bound or lifetime, may have a limited duration or be valid for a lifetime. Refund, replacement, offers a full refund or replacement if the product does not meet expectations. No additional cost, usually provided free of charge with the purchase. Importance of guarantee for consumers, provides a stronger assurance of product quality and durability. Boosts consumer confidence, encouraging purchasing decisions. Ensures consumer satisfaction by offering remedies if the product fails. What is the right to repair? The right to repair is a growing consumer movement advocating that consumers and independent repair shops should have access to the tools, spare parts, software, and manuals needed to repair electronic and mechanical devices. It aims to reduce electronic waste, extend product lifespan, and empower consumers by making repairs more affordable and accessible. Key elements of right to repair: access to spare parts and manuals. Manufacturers should provide spare parts, diagnostic tools, and manuals to consumers and third-party repair services. Software updates and unlocking. Consumers should be allowed to access and modify the software that runs on their devices. Choice of repair providers. Consumers should have the freedom to choose between authorized and independent repair services. Prevention of planned obsolescence. Discourages manufacturers from deliberately making products difficult or impossible to repair. Importance of right to repair for consumers. Cost savings. Reduces repair costs by allowing independent repair services. Sustainability. Reduces electronic waste and promotes environmental conservation. Consumer autonomy. empowers consumers to make decisions about their products. Economic growth encourages local businesses and repair shops, boosting the economy. The Consumer Protection Act, 2019, empowers consumers by addressing product liability, unfair trade practices, and misleading advertisements. Establishes Consumer Dispute Redressal Commissions, CDRCs, at the district, state, and national levels. Bureau of Indian Standards, BIS, ensures quality certification for various products. Products with ISI, AG mark, and FSSAI marks comply with quality and safety standards. Right to repair movement in India. The Indian government is exploring a framework to promote the right to repair, particularly in the electronics, automobile, and agricultural equipment sectors. Initiatives by Niti Aayog and the Ministry of Consumer Affairs aim to enhance consumer rights and reduce environmental impact. These concepts matter for consumers, ensures financial security. Warranties and guarantees protect consumers from unexpected expenses due to product malfunctions, increases consumer confidence. Trust in the product and brand is enhanced when consumers know their investment is protected, promotes sustainable consumption. The right to repair reduces waste and promotes responsible consumption, prevents exploitation. Legal safeguards and guarantees protect consumers from fraudulent practices, encourages innovation and fair competition. With the right to repair, independent repair businesses thrive, encouraging competition and innovation. Understanding the nuances of warranty, guarantee, and the right to repair is crucial for empowering consumers in today's competitive marketplace. These provisions ensure that consumers receive value for their money, have recourse when products fail, and contribute to a sustainable future by promoting product longevity. As awareness grows, these rights will continue to shape a fair and consumer-centric economy, ensuring that consumers have the power to make informed and sustainable choices. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed and stay sustainable.